Industrial equipment, lighting appliances, HVAC, and smart home devices need to accommodate multiple connections in limited space, while providing sealing that withstands harsh environments. Amphenol Commercial FLH Series Mini-Sealed 2.5mm pitch connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, are wire-to-wire connectors with IP67 sealing in the mated condition. The compact design is easy to assemble and ideal in space-saving applications, with socket and housing options for 2, 3, 4, and 6-pin connections. The FLH Series Mini-Sealed connectors are rated for 400 volts AC and up to 8 amps, accommodating wire gauges from 18 to 22 AWG. They can operate at temperatures from -40 to +105 degrees Celsius and are tested for exposure to salt spray, humidity, shock, and vibration, ensuring a reliable connection in a wide range of challenging environments.